In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and install this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it and mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now you can select settings by tapping on top left one and tapping on I accept in first things first pop-up. Now check out all of those options, and when you're ready, click on the bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so I need to click and close Magic Fluids app. So when I do that, I can state my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!